What UC Health researchers are about to do this summer carries historic potential. Dr. Carl Fichtenbaum and Dr. Maggie Powers-Fletcher will conduct a vaccine study you could be a part of. Here's what they're trying to get at: a vaccine that mimics the actual coronavirus, mimics what medical experts call the spike protein. Here's what they hope to show.
Then the body responds by generating antibodies against this. And we hope that those antibodies generated will then protect people from infection or disease.
Around July 9th, they'll start enrolling 500 local people who are at least 18. They need 125 who are 60 to 65 and older. They also need Latinos and African Americans. Here's why.
We're particularly interested because we want to know if the vaccine works to protect the most vulnerable people who've been affected the most by COVID-19.
Half would get the live vaccine, half a matching placebo. 2 vaccinations a month apart. You'd keep a diary of symptoms and have monthly checkups. UC is among the first sites selected.
This is the important pivotal study that the world is waiting for. And it'll be great for Cincinnati to be part of something that's really on the cutting edge of research.
Researchers will enroll people through the summer, hoping to know by the end of the year if the vaccine works, which begs the question, if it does, then what?
My understanding is that there's been contracts with the federal government to make sure that we have millions of doses already made and available.
So the goal is to have the vaccine ready possibly by early 2021. There's going to be 2 more studies on the heels of this one. If you're interested in being a part of this, you can find out how by going to our website, WLWT.com. Reporting live, John London, WLWT News 5.